The current hearing.
Not at all, Your Honor.
Why don't you then proceed?
Can I make it after?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. That's in order, Your Honor. Okay, so I can make it after we finish for the day. That's fine, Your Honor. Okay.
Let's go right on.
That the evidence I shall give before this court,
The evidence that I shall give before this court,
touching on the matter in question,
touching the matter,
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Your Honor, the said witness will stay down.
Just confirm for the record that you're qualified to be a CPA-K.
Your Honor, if I may. Counsel, you have already covered that part and proceeded.
Let me confirm where the point is reached.
Your Honor, I am not starting again, but for
Yes.
purposes of this court, it is very critical that certain things come out.
Yes. Now, this one is court of record, so that what the
Correct.
court of record, there's no problem.
Correct, Your Honor.
Now, where you are,
Yes.
you are at the point of the total amount and putting up figures against the total of 1 billion.
Yes.
That the figures are covered under my audit report. Then you hand ahead and mark for identification DMF 5556, a swift output from US to Deutsche Bank. That's where you stand.
Okay.
So
Yes.
we don't need to go back.
Your Honor, could you confirm maybe just a bit more behind that? I just want to confirm that this was captured clearly. The issue of his qualifications. There's an issue I need to raise there.
Your Honor, it was covered.
Right? I'm certified graduation member of IceBank. You raised the issue that possesses and passed exams, qualifies. Those are the issues. Those are the card. Proceed.
Fair enough. You interject, but with a light touch. Your Honor.
Proceed.
With a light touch. Now, can you confirm that the company you work for is one of the global top top firms, accounting firms, sorry, not
Professional services firm.
It is
Yes.
one of the four.
Yeah.
You confirm that, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, just confirm, you've heard of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales. You've heard of that, isn't it?
Yes, I'm happy.
You've heard of that, yeah? Okay. Now, the qualifications that one obtains from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales, in terms of global ranking, would they be said to be higher or the same as those ones from ISPAC qualifications in Kenya?
It's not different. Like if we look at the law profession,
Yes.
a lawyer that qualifies in Kenya will be a lawyer in Kenya,
Okay.
and a lawyer that qualifies in the same Uganda will be a lawyer in Uganda. So you cannot compare the same.
Okay. But perhaps also, if you were to use your example, then what would matter is the experience of the lawyer in terms of how long they've been in practice compared to a young man, isn't it?
It depends. For a law firm, I would look at the cases they have handled.
No, I'm talking about accountants.
The same to accounting.
So you're saying a young accountant, or maybe 2 years admission, can be ranking as the level of a partner in terms of experience? Is that what you're saying?
It still goes back to what I said. The assignments they've handled. A 1 year qualified accountant don't have handled what you would call large and complex assignments.
Okay. So what you're saying, therefore, the experience matters in terms
Correct.
of... Okay, then you're on the same page, yeah? On the same. Now, you're aware that the first accused was an accountant by qualification?
I understand that.
No, understand or are aware, which of the two?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay. And you're aware that he qualified as an accountant in 1983?
Correct.
Okay. He qualified. You're aware of that? Yeah?
Yes, I'm aware.
And you qualified in which year?
1993.
So 10 years later. Confirm that.
That's correct.
Right. So whatever it is you are doing in terms of auditing for the bank, you would say that the kind of work you are doing is something that he would understand on account of being an accountant by profession.
Yes, I would expect that.
Okay. But just to confirm again, the second and third accused, are you aware they're also qualified accountants? Sorry, the account number 3 and number 4. Are you aware?
No, I cannot confirm that.
You're not aware? But I put it to you, they're also accountants. Okay. Fine. Now, statement. Can we look at your statement kindly? Now, just want to make sure we're on the same page. Yes. Now, if you look at your statement, page number 3, under basis of disclaimer of opinion, just go there.
Yes.
You have that headline? Basis of disclaimer of opinion?
Yes.
Now, point number 2.
Correct.
It has stated, and I'll read it for you, included in loans and advances to customers was an unsecured and non-performing advance of 10 shillings 1 billion due from a director. You're there.
Yes.
You remember it, right? It's part of your statement, isn't it?
Correct.
Now, can you confirm that this 1 billion was classified as a loan to the first accused?
Rather we go as part was
No.
because
No.
this
Kindly.
document will have something back.
No. You remember the last time we had a lot of semantics. The court had to ask you to answer questions. My learned colleague here will help you clarify whatever you want to clarify. But you are the auditor. You are the one who audited those accounts, which we'll go to shortly. But so therefore, you know the answer. Let's not go around in circles. Can you confirm that the 1 billion was classified as a loan by the bank?
Correct.
Thank you. Now, sorry, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Thank you. Now, having audited the bank and so on, can you confirm what the process